Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You will start by getting Word ready on your phone. Install the Microsoft Word app and sign in so your files sync. Once done, enable OneDrive or SharePoint autosave to mirror computer behavior. Make sure app permissions allow storage and, if you use dictation, microphone access. This setup ensures documents remain available across devices and prevents data loss. Now that prerequisites are in place, open a document and follow the next steps to configure layout and editing for a desktop-like workflow. You should adapt the interface to mimic a computer. Rotate your phone to landscape to get a wider canvas and reveal more toolbar options. Next, connect a Bluetooth keyboard or use a keyboard with cursor gestures so typing and shortcuts feel like on a PC. Use view settings, set zoom to page width, open the navigation pane for headings, and enable ruler or grid if available. These choices let you edit, format, and navigate documents faster and with more precision, just like desktop Word. Finish by using advanced features that replicate desktop power. Apply styles for consistent formatting, use find and replace for bulk edits, and add comments to collaborate. When working with others, store the file on OneDrive and enable track changes so you can accept or reject edits just like on a computer. If something goes wrong, clear the app cache, update Word from the store, and resync your account to resolve missing files or toolbar issues. This final step secures edits and keeps your workflow seamless across devices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.